Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right there, just finished, piping hot. We're doing a chicken curry, a West Indian stroke, Caribbean stroke, Jamaican style. Got some absolutely wonderful flavors in there. A few veggies, some fresh thyme, pimento or allspice, lovely chicken, coconut, delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today for this. Very simple. In this bowl here, as you can see, chicken, whole chicken. I've cut that into parts, bone in, skin is on. Fresh thyme. Here I've got some pepper sauce. I don't have any fresh Scotch bonnet, so I'm using a pepper sauce today. I use Encona, which I love. I put it on nearly everything anyway, so grab yourself some of that stuff, it's fantastic. Next to that, we've got curry powder. This is a West Indian curry powder, Jamaican curry powder. I'll leave a link on how to make that. It's very different than an Indian curry powder, but yeah, absolutely beautiful. We make it ourselves. If you can't buy it in the shop, then go ahead and make some. Bay leaf. Here I've got allspice or pimento, whole ones, I like them in the mix. Salt and pepper, oil, just to kind of bring it together, and the garlic at the back. If you wanted, you could maybe be putting in some ginger as well. Very simply, all these ingredients are going in there. We're going to give it a mix. Okay, so here we go. Salt and pepper. Bay leaf and the allspice or pimento, which I like in whole. That oil, which I'm using a sunflower oil, in that goes. That's going to bring it all together. Garlic chopped, quite a bit of garlic. There's like sort of 3 or 4 teaspoons there. Our West Indian curry powder, again about 3 or 4 teaspoons. That pepper sauce, in that goes. You can adjust this how you want, because like I say, it is very hot but super tasty. And then fresh thyme. If you can get fresh thyme, great, and we're just going to break that in roughly. If not, dried thyme will work just as well. Well, not quite just as well, but as well. Simply, we're going to give this a mix. We can move on to the next stage. Okay, our chicken's mixed and ready. If you wanted, you could leave that overnight in the refrigerator. I'm going to go straight in with this one just for time for this video. I've got a skillet here, or a pan, dry. We're going to drop in our chicken, because we've got enough oil that we added already. Now, if you wanted, you could have been putting your onions in with the chicken. That's quite common. But I'm going to just fry the chicken first, then get my onions in. So simply medium heat, or just above a medium heat. Let's throw this around in the pan for like 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, so this is looking fantastic. Probably not cooked all the way through yet, but now we're going to add some vegetables. We're going to get our onions in, sliced red onions I'm using. A couple of carrots, just cut into rounds. Decent sized large potato cut into nice cubes, and I've got some celery here, and that goes in the mix. Now if you wanted, you could be putting yam in this, sweet potato, pretty much any vegetables you like, in fact. So keep it on this same heat. Let's just fry this around for about another 4 minutes or so. Okay, so those few minutes just get them a little head start. I mean, absolutely really rock hard, all these vegetables still. What we're going to do now is add in a mug of water. Turn the heat up. We're going to add in 1 can of coconut milk. We're going to bring this to the boil. Then we're going to lower the heat and let it go for about 7 to 8 minutes once it kind of reaches boiling point. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, so as you can see, this has cooked down a little bit, it's thickened and reduced. Now you just need to cook it until like your potatoes are cooked. These are pretty good now. They're pretty soft. There you go. Check that for salt. I've just tasted it. It's absolutely delicious. I'm going to finish this off now by adding some spring onions, green onions or scallions, whatever you call them, and a little bit of chopped cilantro or coriander. Let's give that a mix. Off goes the heat. This is done and I'm super happy. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.